Good morning, Facebook. Here we are, Newport Beach. It's day 3. We are laying down the first coat. Let me go ahead and take you through real quick. My guys working here. Color of the stain we got going. You can see they got everything going there. I'll take you this way. Just pretty much just went with what they almost kind of had. It's a tad bit lighter than what they originally had, but everything looks really, really good. The guy right there. Yeah, wow. Everything looks great. So I'll do another video probably in about 2 to 3 hours, and we can see after the first coat. But it should be finished today. Everybody have a good day. See you in a bit.